Althea Taylor Natural Life is outside.
Fully.
Fully.
No joke. So, Miss Althea,
Yeah.
what kind of building this again?
I heard it's a goat house. What it look like to you?
Why? This look more than a goat house, Miss Althea.
What you that say it look like?
Eh? This look like it's a bar.
A bar. Where you can peep out. Cock up
Yeah.
and peep out.
Eh? I want to look a sport club. Me I
That-
tell you, like, big enough can be a bar or a sport club.
Go on up in there, make we see where I'm going.
To me, honestly, it don't look like a goat pen to me. No, I don't know how it looks to you. Althea Natural Life, but it looks extremely like a shop to me. Or a bar, or a sport club.
Let's check it out.
Yeah,
Oh my word.
like, my God.
This is it.
This is it. Remember,
Where you say goat, them a go pal off in this.
me I tell you, say, and them alone comfortable when them come lay down. Me I tell you, them look go in a carpet.
It's an unfinished goat house, the boss say.
Me say, the way you up your smooth and cool, them no want carpet for lay down. Me I tell you.
Can you imagine, my viewers? This house is being built for goats.
But,
Oh my word.
me I tell you, say, people, this house look like it built for the goat, and me could have come take a part too. Up here definitely look like a goat pen to me. Yeah, straight. So the goat could have sleep on one side and me sleep on the next
So
side.
yes.
So, it's natural, like, alright? The goat could have sleep on one side and me sleep on one side.
Anything you say? Anything you say, boss?
Yeah, I tell you.
Cause this really look like a house.
Honestly, to the outside part of the thing come out to you, like it could be a shop or a sport bar, but to me, definitely it look like a sport bar to me.
This is it. This serious call me ready.
Yeah, I'm very serious. You can get actually around 3 to 4 more than 8 to 7 window on the left and on the right. Yeah. To the column them, every black seat there, this is a window. This is
So you go them all a go get window too?
This is another window, yeah. Remember me tell you, I'll AC them again.
All light.
Comfortable natural.
Electricity I go in there for the goat them too?
Me I tell you.
Alright.
If them cold, me know actually a heater will be here. So keep them warm.
Oh my word! This is it. Come on, we're ready.
Me I tell you,
Mango come do.
I'm coming down the ladder carefully, natural.
Yeah, take your time.
Don't want to fall in the car. Me I tell you, me don't fit that one time again.
Yeah, turn old man now.
Yeah, I get in a year. But if it one time, I mean I'm a prime. Then I'm a prime. Get old.
God of grace.
But it's a good look, Miss Althea. I like it a lot.
It's a good look.
It's a good look.
That is it, my brother.
I can't stop talking about it. Let me take a picture. I
Take a picture diet.
can't make it pass.
No. There's some oranges there. Some coconuts. We are inside. Outside. Come ready. And we're going and we're going and we're going along. Beautiful. Alright, we're soon gone in our real house. So now, oh my word, look at this. I think this is the Plum Diego. So we just went to look at the goat house. That was the goat house. Very unique. Ooh, mercy. So everything have to be nice on top of this hill, man. Gotta get it right. Even the goat house have to be nice. Yeah. Come down here. A moment like this.
Oh, this one look like the prettiest one. Over in the corner here.
Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. That goat house there is something else. Some people wait forever for just one special gift. Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. So you know, so I back up on my goal. Cersei it is.
Oh, me get them already. This one now and over this.
Alright. Some people wait.
That's all right. Look like you make me move extra faster now. you make me take all the water, all I took them before.
Some people wait a lifetime. Hey, Mrs. Some jackfruit up in that tree there, you know, me I go taste if any ripe. Right over there, so. For a moment like
Can you
this.
climb?
Me?
Can you climb?
One time I climb and a 10 man have to take me out of the tree.
Man, me go make 11.
Some people wait a lifetime. Yeah, me could check the jackfruit tree. For a
And then palm
moment.
tree.
Me have this at home.
You have it?
Like this, jackfruit a waste. Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. Some people wait forever. Check it. Me smell ripe fruit, you know. Check the tree. You can't climb.
Oh, me? Me I try. Like what you say, I try.
For just one special kiss. Me know me smell right. My name drop off in your head.
Natural life, man. Me drop out of the tree. I mean, I tell you, it did look like a joke.
So you know smelly ripe fruit them.
Smell it right, and me ever drop and no, I know natural life is extra nice. That's crazy.
Oh you fit go drop out a tree.
The one that big you over me, see that? If you
Check
drop in my head, me knock out, you know?
Check if it ripe.
Right?
Some people, cause all them are gonna do is stay here and drop off, boop,
Yeah.
and that is it.
And nobody now pick them, man.
Nobody now pick them your jackfruit, them man.
It's natural life. Me take off my shoes. Me can't climb in a shoe.
Jackfruit you can pick and put down for right.
I mean, every wrap it up.
Then say if jackfruit carrying a bus, the bus tire
you know.
puncher, you know.
Besides that, jackfruit ripe, I call him to eat, you know. At place, you know.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
well the one they right they so supposed to can pick.
Yeah, but two of my people, them write them, a newspaper them use. Wrap them
Yeah,
and put them now.
pick that one there.
And quick them right. Yeah, I tell you. Miss Alder, I want them about for the climbing.
Yeah, you look like your body look like you're a puss. You look
Right.
like you can climb like puss, man.
Yeah, I tell you, I reach up that quickie.
But you have to pick that one there over your head. Yeah, that one there. What you think about it?
The young go big, but enough it.
Oh, you only big but enough it.
Yeah.
Well, we have oh apple there, come. Left that and come pick the apple.
Jesus Christ, something I never eat. Eh?
You know
How
it-
long?
Me I tell you.
I'm going to tell you.
Yeah, man, come out of that one. Come out of that one. When one door close, one open. Wow, this is beautiful.
You know,
Oh my word.
the jackfruit feel me, nah, so no.
Jackfruit fear.
Yeah, feel me.
Want to see apple them now? 1, 2, 3.
I
Ooh,
want
mercy,
to
look
know.
there.
I want
See
to
some,
know.
babe, I see some apple black like it's a spade.
One thing,
Come
you know,
on,
every
come
jackfruit
quickly.
feel me, the apple now feel
When
me,
one
it's
do,
natural
look
life.
there, look there, look there. Look up in that tree, star boy.
No, man.
Look there.
A joke you give. Look here, I don't stand up and look up like you. It's natural life. You have to go up in there.
You have to go up in that one.
Yeah, man. Yeah, bitch.
Oh my word.
This one is very big. Me have to run a risk to do this.
No, run a risk.
Yeah, me
Take
have
your
to-
time, don't make them drop, you know.
Me do have to just risk it for the
Yeah,
biscuit.
Oh my
Alright,
word.
no, that no good.
That
That no
look
good.
good. Yeah. At the last
Oh,
of them, you
Miss
know,
Althea, hold this.
if then they stay one more day,
Very nice.
that is it.
Remember.
Oh my word. I could hardly believe it.
At them, look at something a doctor say me need.
So one apple a day, keep the doctor away. Some people wait a lifetime
I tell you,
for a moment like this.
you know, I get everything black, you know.
No man, it's alright.
You don't know when I dark one no more.
Black a beauty, you know.
More when I dark one. Me not too like look in
You see more? That's all I saw.
I look car. Miss Natural Life, me have a kite. Me have a kite. Me have a kite as well.
Kite?
Yeah, me just want the 50 color plastic them for paste them now. Me have 8 kite up with that.
See your boot there? Take it up. Put it
8
on.
kite and bill and everything. Nice and everything.
One night me left my slippers a bush. Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. We outside, my viewers. One Althea. Where you say? Where you tell the people them say Starboy? Whoops.
Eh?
One Althea Taylor Natural Life.
One Althea Taylor Natural Life. You hear that? No joke.
That is it. Some people wait a lifetime for moments like this. Macy. Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. Some people wait forever for just one special gift. Even the flowers then start dancing, man. They too are loving it. Some people wait a lifetime for moments like these. So
I'm coming now.
you finding more? Some people wait a lifetime for moments, waterfall like this. Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. Some people wait forever for just one special gift. Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. Some people wait a lifetime for a moment like this. Some people wait for a good 25 minutes for this special gift. Thank you so much for stopping by. Althea Taylor Natural Life. You ready again? That is it. Oh my word. You saw this, man?
Which one?
Look at this. I would stay right here and just look at this. Take a look at this, man.
But wait. Miss Althea, this one you can get the hide for me.
Me I tell you.
So how pass the gate on
You have to take out your phone for sure, auntie this.
Then me not tell her, it can't miss.
Can't miss.
Remember me tell her.
One Althea Taylor Natural Life.
Remember that. Straight Althea Taylor. No other Taylor. There's a lie them I tell.
We outside, my viewers.
Me have to take this. But this was hiding from me. Me I tell you,
This
quite
is
nice.
Everything beautiful, but
Look
look
how
at
nice.
this.
Auntie, look how nice. Jesus.
Big up auntie. Call her name in iFlame.
Auntie Cherry, a time for you come December. Me I tell you.
This is it, my viewer.
Jamaica beautiful.
This is the full capture of the day.
Me like it a lot.
Speaks volume, man.
Yeah,
DJ Madison Mace,
me I tell you.
Colleen Olivia Davis Mace.
Yeah.
You know, we have to shout out my children them on this one.
Amen.
Zanny Nicolene Davis, Shalom Nicholas Davis, my niece, my nephews, my auntie, my cousin, my friend them will support me on my channel. My brother, my sister, everybody. My friend them, my friend Pitney them.
Starboy.
Starboy!
You can't left me out about this. What I say?
Starboy, we can't leave you out.
You can't left me
Yeah
out.
man, yeah, start the show.
Yeah.
Thanks for picking the fruits, man.
We don't gonna start one natural life.
One natural
Althea.
life.
Yeah, we not start no blue move.
One natural.
One natural life, yeah.
Oh my word, this is it, man. As I say, man, thank you so much for stopping by.